Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to change someone's clothes in a photo for free using Google AI Studio. This is a fun way to try out new outfits or styles without needing a photo editor. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and from the dashboard, click Image Tools or Edit Image. Now, upload the photo of the person you want to edit. Once it's loaded, select the Edit option. Use the brush tool to highlight just the clothing area, for example, the shirt, jacket, or dress. Next, in the text box, type a prompt describing the new outfit you want. For example, replace the shirt with a black leather jacket, or change the dress to a red evening gown. Click Generate, and the AI will swap out the clothing while keeping the person's face and body natural. If it doesn't look right the first time, adjust your selection or rewrite the prompt for better results. When you're happy, just hit download to save your updated photo for free. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can change clothes and photos quickly and easily without paying for expensive editing software. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.